Good morning. Welcome to another episode of Chopper and Blackie TV. It's rare we have coffee this close to the bed. I know people who really like coffee. This is like really bad, but I don't care. I really love this coffee in the morning. Whoa, this is gonna be strong. Yum yum. All right, I am about 10 kilometers outside Bremen. So I got Blackie to start today. It was cold in the morning, around about 9 o'clock, but charging in the night seems to be the way to go. So I've also put on a bit more clothes today. I have a fucking issue with my boot here. It opened, so that's gonna, I hope to fix it now. If not, I have to tape it. Yeah, I got on my way easy today, so I'm hoping to enter Denmark today and find somewhere maybe in the south to stay, and then I will have a couple of hours tomorrow up to Hirtshals, and I might take the boat tomorrow night if I can reach it. If not, it will be Tuesday morning. We'll see. It would be nice to get Blackie parked at my friend's place in Kristiansand and just oh, okay, mission complete. Until I want to go back maybe in April, most likely June, to drive to Trondheim, which is my new home. So this is how it looks like here at the Shell station in Germany. The roads are straight, they are boring, and it is cold. But I have coffee, so can't complain too much. So this is a problem. Fuck. I close it, and it won't stay closed. Nope, so. Yeah, buddy. Looks cool too. This is some transportation. It's the wings from a windmill. Damn. In Denmark. So not so far now. Now I'm just gonna have a coffee, have a shake, have some protein, and then I am gonna find a place to stay tonight. Feels good to be back in Scandinavia. So I got a room. I got my stuff up here, but no electricity outside. Parked here. If I had a long cable, I could take it out the window. But no, so I guess I gotta take out the battery and take it in here, but it's like, whoa, the plugs here, they are really old. Will it work? At least there are electricity. I think it will be okay. I hope. Yep. Not taking any chances here. All right. Now it's time to get organized for going home. So yeah. Tomorrow I will leave here at 11 because that was checkout. I will cruise my way to Hirtshals, hopefully problem free, and get on a boat tomorrow night. And that will take me to Kristiansand. If everything goes smoothly, but you know, you never know until you know. So now I'm just gonna get a shower, get organized as I told you, and I'm gonna get some food, relax, and chill out until tomorrow. So thank you for today, and hit the like and subscribe button if you want to see how tomorrow turns out.